bikes out here today. Holy crap. I wasn't even gonna come out today because it was raining, and when we left it was raining, so I'm actually surprised all these bikes turned out here. And so nice right now, man. That's what it's all about, you know. So I might I don't know how much I'll talk in this little ride here, but you know, just as a little warning. Got the other S1K. This is a 2015 S1K. It sounds good, dude. Close! Oh my god! Is that a R3 popping? That was close! Yeah, I know! Bro, it was, bro. It was like this. At the same fucking time. Yeah? It spun. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, dude. Hey, we gotta get more space. I got it on video. I'm gonna see how close it was. Yeah, right to the dude, it's still wet, bro. Hey, let's play that again. Yeah, more space. Yeah. that thing sounds insane. I love the sound of the V4s. Bro, that shit looks like it just wants to come up. Every time you go, whoom, whoom. Stop! Oh my god! Oh my... Don't burn the gas station now! Don't get it! Oh no, he's good. He's good. It went through. He went straight through.
All the bikes out here. Cop pulled up, told us we were all cool. Got everybody parked up over here. Like, yeah.
YouTube. Well, hello, police officer. We are currently headed home. I hope y'all enjoyed this little ride. I kind of just, you know, started recording. Like I said, I didn't even expect to even come out today. It was a really good turnout. There's a lot of bikes that came out, even with the weather how it was, which was awesome. I had a lot of fun riding and racing. A little scary, but made it happen. And that's pretty much it. So I really appreciate y'all for tuning in. And make sure y'all subscribe, hit the like button, share, comment, whatever y'all want to do, interact in some way, shape, or form. And yeah, I just want to say I really appreciate y'all. And until next time, bye.